Welcome to JH. Recently, the name Ryobi hover disk has been all over the internet, and people are going crazy thinking it's some futuristic device that lets you levitate in the air for almost 25 minutes. Sounds wild, right? Too bad common sense is usually the first thing to fly out the window when a viral video drops. A lot of people are genuinely confused and want to know if this thing is even real, so we're breaking it all down in simple language. First, let's look at the big concern: the viral video itself. The clip was posted by a Facebook user named Zach Lawns, showing a guy floating in the air using a four-wheeled Ryobi device. But the moment you look closer than a toddler staring at a candy bar, things start to seem off. The shadows don't move naturally, the body physics look odd, and there's a clear Sora watermark on the video. That watermark is basically the AI equivalent of a made-in-China sticker on a luxury watch, meaning the whole thing is computer-generated, not an actual product demo. As for Ryobi themselves, we checked their official website, their product list, and even their social media announcements, and there is zero mention of anything called a hover disk. No teaser, no press release, and no patent. It turns out Ryobi is busy making actual power tools while the internet is busy making up imaginary ones. At this point, it's pretty obvious the company has absolutely nothing to do with these viral clips. The creator of the video, Zach Lawns, also has a long history of posting AI-generated content. He's made fake gadget videos before and even fake animal videos. He's basically the digital version of that one friend who lies about having a girlfriend in Canada. He creates this stuff for fun and views, not to showcase real products. Even that big OSHA-approved sticker you see in the video is just part of the joke, because apparently, even AI knows we need a safety warning for things that don't exist. Here is the final reality check. You can't buy this thing anywhere. It's not on Ryobi's website, not on trusted online stores, and definitely not at your local hardware store, because the Ryobi hover disk simply doesn't exist. The only place it lives is inside AI videos, and in the comments section, where people are asking if it will do their dishes and laundry, too. If we're going to dream about fake technology, we might as well dream big. So, is the Ryobi hover disk legit? Nope, not at all. The video is AI generated, the product isn't real, and Ryobi has never made anything like it. It's just another fun, but totally fake viral hoax floating around social media to trick the gullible. Thanks for watching till the end. Stay tuned for more breakdowns of viral videos and trending stories that are actually based in reality.